just picked up the furniture. As you guys saw, it looks really well. I can't talk, but it looks really good. I paid for extra transport because they can't fit in my small car, so we're heading home. And the only thing was that he painted the mirror gray, and I kind of wanted white, but I might have to spray paint it, but that's a small thing to do. Oh, my car's gonna go off. My car's gonna go off. No. Anyway, yeah, basically that's it. I'm really happy with how he brought my vision to life, and we'll see what else we'll get up to. Probably just setting it up in my room and showing you guys a glimpse of that. But I am happy. I am so excited for my room to it's finally taking shape. I'm sorry I keep looking around, people are just staring, but let's go home. As I said, I wanted white and they made it gray, so I'm just gonna spray paint it. I just covered it in newspaper. I have a feeling I haven't covered everything, and my mirror is gonna have white splotches, but it's fine. The spray paint I'm using is this Abro spray paint. It's about it. It was 400 and, ooh, can you see that? 450 shillings, which is about $4.5, $4.50. And let's get to spray painting this bad boy. It's looking patchy. I don't like that. That part looks fine. It's patchy. Here's a spray painted mirror. In my opinion, since it was gray, it's a bit hard getting the white on, and my spray paint is over. I might buy another can and go over it again, but it looks whitish. But yeah, I guess it's not as white as I wanted. As you can see, I guess the spray paint I was using wasn't so good because there are patches here and there of gray, but it's fine. Aftermath of painting. I'm scared to go to that side. It's not really a bright white, it's more cream, which isn't exactly what I wanted, but I think I'll have to settle for this. So I'll just make this kind of my thing. But yeah, so that's the mirror, and it takes about 4 hours to dry. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow, and hopefully this will be dry and better. So what I'm currently doing is I'm painting my headboard white. I want it to be white. Might have to do 2 coats of this. I know painting a darker color with a bright color is never the best idea, but I'm just gonna try. A cream will be fine, but we're aiming for a really thick coat. Hey guys, so I realized I hadn't done it before my room, and now it's looking particularly messy. Some things are arranged, some things are not. So excuse me, but this is basically my before, okay? Just take it in with me. This is horrible, I know. How can I live like this? I know. But let's just say life's just not giving me, I don't even know. Basically, I've brought in this this shoe rack, whatever it is. I've brought in a mirror because I didn't have one, and I've painted my headboard white. So from here, you're gonna be able to see my progress very well. So I'm really excited for the after. I'm excited to just take this room and do a lot with it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, bye. Bye-bye. my gold frames. I just spray painted them. This one had the glass break, so that's sad. They were quite fragile. And this is what's going in the frames. So I printed this off shirkfetti.com. I'm gonna link them down below. It was free. It's pretty. I love the prints. So I'm just gonna put them in these frames and then we can hang them up. So guys, what I'm about to do is I'm about to put fairy lights on my headboard. I've wanted a fairy light headboard for so long and I'm so glad to be finally doing it. And I'm gonna hang some prints, change my sheets, my comforter, everything, and we'll be done with this room finally. I'm so excited. I'm happy with how things have turned out. But right now, let's finish this up because it's taken way too long. So let's get to it.